and they are going to be a part of this country, and they will contribute to this country peacefully like everybody else. We are not moving, we are not leaving, we are not afraid of you. You keep attacking the international community, you know what's going to happen. Everybody is going to come down on you like a ton of bricks for attacking every country or every freaking nationality that comes to this country of Ireland. This beautiful island that you people decided to try and destroy because you don't like different people, because you are idiots and you are trying to be heroes, which you are not. You will never be included in the history books as any form of heroes. You'd be in the history books as pariahs and destructive people in society and racist people. And I cannot wait for the next generation of this country to grow up and laugh at the activities that you caused this week in Dublin City. You are a disgrace. This is a beautiful country. Dublin is a beautiful city that did not deserve what happened over them poor children that are in the hospital that you did not decide to go and light a single candle for. Instead, you decide to light up Garda cars, buses, Lewises, which you need to go and transport yourself to work. Well, I don't even think you'd work, because if you did, you wouldn't be setting no Lewis or buses on fire, would you now? Because you'd have a problem going to work, wouldn't you now? So you motherfuckers are going to leave this country. So help us, the international community will not accept you backwards thinking, low-life, scum of the earth, mofos in this country anymore. We are not tolerating racism. This generation of black people in this world is not tolerating racism from any of ye. It is not happening. You better pack up and leave this country. I'm telling you now. You better leave this country. Migrants are not taking any more from you. You have done everything in this country to oppress us, destroy our families, destroy our lives, destroy our futures. But it ends now.